All right, last part, last couple of pages here. Let me move it up a little bit. All right, so understanding civil liberties. So keep in mind that the United States government is both democratic and constitutional. So democratic because it's governed by officials elected by people who have to answer to the people, right? But it's constitutional because we have a law, a set of law that limits the things the government can do. The democratic and constitutional components of government can produce conflicts, but they also can reinforce one another. With civil liberties and democracy, we have individual rights that can conflict with other values. The rights guaranteed by the First Amendment are essential to a democracy. Individual participation and the expression of ideas are crucial components of democracy, but so is majority rule, which can conflict with individual rights. The rights guaranteed by the Fourth, Fifth, Sixth, and Eighth Amendments protect all Americans, but they also make it harder to punish criminals. Ultimately, the courts decide what constitutional guarantees mean in practice. Although the federal courts are the branch of government least subject to majority rule, the courts enhance democracy by protecting liberty and equality from the excesses of majority rule. Okay, so I think that's a really, really important point. Maybe rewind and listen to that part again. All right, civil liberties and the scope of government. Today's government is huge and commands vast and powerful technologies. Since Americans can no longer avoid the attention of government, strict regulations on governmental power are essential, limitations that are provided by the Bill of Rights. In general, civil liberties limit the scope of government. However, in some instances, such as protecting the right to abortion, an expansion of freedom may require simultaneous expansion of government to protect those freedoms. Okay, so I think, again, both of these are really, really important points. This is going to be a super tiny, short little video, but you might want to listen to it twice. Okay, those are really important points in terms of our civil liberties and how our government works.